Hi guys, so today we're just going to introduce you to our new 2019 VW California range. So this is one of the vehicles available for hire this year. I'm just going to talk you around, show you how all the features work and how to set the vehicle up when you go camping. Yeah, so we just got to the campsite, and probably the first thing that you really want to do is create some space in the vehicle. So the easiest thing to do is get the roof up. With it being a California, this is super easy. Okay, it's just going to show you how to put the roof up. So jump in the van, switch the control panel on, turn on the ignition, press the menu button, press the menu button again on pop-up roof, run open, just press and hold that, hear it buzz. So once you hear that kind of noise change, just take your finger off the button and that's the roof up. Once you've done that, we can slide the roof cover back. And then once we've done that, just jump up, push the roof bed up. That's it, roof set up. Okay, so just show you some other features that are controlled off this central panel. We've got the cool box in there, or refrigerator box, whatever you want to call it. So just press on that to switch it on. That'll illuminate up there to tell you that's switched on, and then you can select how cold you want that. So that's obviously really cold. Probably a bit of trial and error with that really to find out where it is. I was thinking it's like the fridge at home, so medium level will be okay. So just press that and then switch off again. You can either flick that to turn it off, or you can go into the menu, select it and go to switch off as well. So either or. So again, on, press on, or press that off to turn it off. And that's that. So the other thing on here is the night heater. So again, press the center menu button, onto auxiliary heater, press that, switch on. Again, that's switched on. You've got the button for that there, so you can switch it on using that as well. And then we've got temperature selection. Again, trial and error really. I guess what you're going to be happy with having that set on. Just figuring that out and just pressing that to set the temperature. You can set this on a timer and all sorts of things, but I can't see you'd want to do that with just camping. But obviously if you were camping in the winter months and you did go for a walk or whatever and you wanted to set it on at a certain time, you can set all that on here. We do supply the owner's manuals and everything with these, so you can go through that as well, and we will run through things with you when you collect it too. Just switch that off, press that, and we're off. Okay, so around this side of the van, on the passenger side, we've got the water tank for the fresh water. It's just a case of filling that up with a hose pipe. So it is lockable, so pop the key in, turn the key, that just comes out there. So fresh water in there. And then we've also got the electric hookup point here. So if you're on a campsite, you have got electric hookup. That fits in just there, and that'll keep all your electrics running for you as well, rather than running off the leisure battery that the vehicle's fitted with. So just go and find the electric hookup cable for you. It's just right onto the back of the van. I'm just going to show you a couple of features that are available around here. So you'll notice this attachment just here at the back. So what goes in there is this foot shower. So that just plugs in there, and then as we open that up, you see there we've got a little switch, and that just turns that on. And if you've had a day at the beach or whatever, you can come back, shower your feet off so you're not getting sand and stuff in the vehicle. So we've got some of the stuff done, and it might be time to make a brew now. So let's just show you how to switch the gas on. So if you open this cover, if you just push these in, just pull that back. Under here, just a little lever, just turn that so it's in line with the pipe. Push that in there, lift that up, and that's your stove under there. So basically, turn that and push it. You just got to keep your finger on there for a couple of seconds, and then that's it, you're away. Get your kettle on, happy days. So for when you come round to making your brew, we also supply the vehicles with basic utensils. So in here we've got a kettle, so So I'll pop that on there ready for the brew. We've got some frying pans across this side. You've got plates, saucers, cups. You've also got a full set of cutlery in there as well. So most things you need really is just more or less whether you're using sleeping bags or duvets, pillows, that kind of stuff really that you need to have a great time away. Okay, so sink, just press that, flick it up again. You've got your sink in there, just flick that up. That turns the water on. It's only cold water, but it's always helpful for cleaning your hands or washing the pots, etc. And again, we do put you some basic stuff in there. So we've got a tea towel, a little bit of washing up liquid, and a sponge scourer. Okay, so we turned the fridge on earlier, but your fridge is situated in there. So it's quite deep, you've got quite a bit of room in there, so you get your food in there or beers, whichever it is. Nice summer's day, you can't go anywhere without beer. There we go. Okay, so you've made your brew, time to sit down and chill out for 5 minutes. So get the table out, there's a lever just at the back of the table just there, just push that away, that slides out, and then just pull that up. And then underneath, you've got the leg. So just pull the leg down there. And then there's a little red button there for the height. Just push that down. And there you go, all set up. Okay, so as well as the seats in the back, you've also got the front seats which swivel around. Just show you how you do that. Just underneath the seat, in the center of the seat, you've got a swivel lever. To swivel it, you will need to pull it all the way forwards, more or less. Just pull that forwards like that. Push the lever away from you, turn that round. There you go. So you've got this one, and also the driver's seat will do that as well. Driver's seat's a little bit more tricky. You've got to make sure the handbrake's off, else it won't turn around. And also the steering wheel needs to be in and away to get that round as well. So you've got seating for 4. We showed you earlier on where the awning bar is to extend the awning, so I'm just going to get that out and show you how to do that. Just when you are doing this, just make sure all the doors are shut first of all. Just so we don't catch the top of the doors when we put the awning out. Slot that in there, twist it around to lock it in. And it's anti-clockwise on the way out. We've wound the awning out, and you're probably wondering where the legs are for it now, so really clever design. So this little cover here, you just slide this forwards, and then just up here, you've got the legs on a spring clip. Just pull that down like that. Pop that down for now. Get the other side out. And let's get that up. And then you just pull that little tag up there. Just pull that all the way up, and that's just locked that off now for you. So we've got the awning up, so the only thing left to do really is get the table and chairs out. So let's show you how to do that. So jump in the van, just shut this door. Really clever feature, I think, this. You've got the table located just here. Flick that little button up there, pull that out. Get it out and get it set up. There we go. Now time for the chairs. Right, let's just grab the chairs. So you've got the tailgate up. Unzip this little zip here, and then the chairs just clip out. There we go. Sit down and enjoy the view. Okay, so night's starting to fall, getting ready for bed. Just going to get the vehicle set up for night. So first of all, I'll show you how to do all the blinds. Some really cool ways of doing these. They've really thought of everything when they designed these Californias. Everything's integral and everything. So let's just show you. Just pull that down from there, like that. Right, just going to show you how you do the windscreen blinds. So first of all, you've got to tilt the rear view mirror just out of the way. And then we've got a little tab here that we just pull forwards. Pull that out of there. Locate that in the tab at the bottom. And then just pop that in the tab just there. And then do exactly the same with the other side. And then you're pretty much private. Okay, so back in the drawer underneath the seat. And you'll find in here a couple of window blinds. These are really simple, they're just magnetic. So just pop on the front windows. Just like that, and then same the other side. Just show you how you do the blinds in the rear. Just pull that forward like that, and that just hooks up over there. So that's a tailgate. Then we've just got this rear window to do just here. Exactly the same as the side windows. This, just pull that down, just like that. So last thing to do when you're getting ready for the evening is just get the bed out. So the first thing is just drop the headrest down. Little button just there, pull that, and then they just drop straight down. And then back into the van and we'll get the bed flattened out. So rightly or wrongly, the easiest way I've found to get the bed out is as follows. So you've got the little lever just there, so just pull that, sit in the middle of the bed and just step it forwards. Like that, as far forward as it'll go. And that's that. Then once we've got it to there, you've got the lever, the strap just down here, just pull that, push that down, and then that's that. And then you have got this mattress here, it just pulls across straight over the bed and you're all set for a night's sleep. Okay, so this is a 4-berth vehicle, so we can sleep 4, so the other 2 upstairs. So it's just a case of pulling the roof bed down, pop that down, mattress is already up there ready to go, and it is as simple as climbing on the back of the seats and just getting up there. Okay, so you've got various light switches around the vehicle, even up in the pop top. So hit the button. You've also got a 12-volt socket up there at the side as well, so if you've got a USB charger or anything like that, you can plug that in and charge your phone, etc. from up there as well. I'll show you how to put the roof down because it's quite an important part of it. So when you are putting the roof down, just make sure the side door's open and also this front compartment is still open here. It's just so the air can come out the roof and it lets the sides come in. So on your control panel, press the button, pop up roof, go down to close, close, press and hold, and then it will actually warn you all the things that I've just said. So roof bed's down, yes, blinds open, and we've got the door open on the window. So press and hold, close again. When you hear the sound of the motor change, just take your thumb off there, and then that's the roof down. So it's just a case of now tucking all this up out of the way and just pulling that section across. The owner's manual's in the glove box, so you can always refer to that if you need help while you're away. We will show you around the vehicle fully as well when you come to collect it, so make sure you ask us any questions that you've got from this video. You can also give us a call while you're away within the normal hours. So thank you for watching and enjoy your time away.